Hi friends, today I am sharing one more home remedy for cough and cold which is very effective because it has many warm spices and this is called as herbal kadha. This recipe is shared by my good friend Uttara. For this we need 2 cups of water, half cup of jaggery. I have squeezed fresh ginger juice. This is 1 tablespoon. 4 crushed cardamoms, 1/4 teaspoon of ajwain, 1/4 teaspoon of haldi, 1/4 teaspoon of fennel seeds, saunf and 4-5 cloves. I will also crush some fresh peppercorns, and if you have fresh basil tulsi leaves you can use this. I don't have, that's why I'll use this tulsi drops in the end. I'll add all the spices in this water. We have to let it boil until this mixture remains half. It has been boiling for around 15 minutes and it has been reduced to its half. Now I will strain it. I will also add tulsi drop. And mix it. Kadha is now ready. You can give it to your kid as well as to any adult who is suffering from cough and cold. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and share with your friends. Thank you.